Hi, good morning everyone. So today we're gonna open 3 packs of WWE Women's Division Trading Cards 2018 from Topps. It's 7 cards per pack. I just bought this in Lazada, just hoping that I could pull something that is valuable. So we'll open this. But before we open this, I just want to show you some of the personal collection of my son. So it's an NBA card. So just a little. I just want to let you see some of it. So this one is one of his favorite player before. So this is Derrick Rose. This one is another favorite of him. Giannis Antetokounmpo from Milwaukee Bucks. Yeah, this one, Miami Heat, Chris Bosh. And Russell Westbrook. You also like this player, Kyrie Irving, of when he was still with the Cavs. This one also, Paul George, Pandemic P, when he was playing with the Pacers. Ben Simmons height. And Zero Gravity Donovan Mitchell from the Utah Jazz. Tyler Hero RC. Is this one an RC? No, it's an RC. It's from the Miami Heat. Vintage player Alonzo Mourning when he was playing with Charlotte Hornets. And the GOAT, Kobe Bryant, Black Mamba. So okay, we'll proceed with the pack opening. I hope you can like and subscribe the video so I can make more. This is just a hobby of mine, so I hope you can support my channel. Thank you for those who will subscribe and like the video. So we'll open the first pack. This is the 7 cards. First card is Asuka when he defeats Billy Kay, Peyton Ross, and Nikki Cross. Our second card is Vanessa Bourne. Third card is the Aliyah from Next. And a rookie card, Sarah Logan. I don't know if this is connected with Hulk Hogan. Sarah Logan. Not Hulk Hogan. So, but this one is an RC, so maybe this will be valuable later on. Renee Young. Charlotte Flair. I think this one is one of the superstars in WWE. And Bobby Roode and Charlotte Flair mixed match challenge. Okay, so that's our first pack. I'm not sure if if these cards will be valuable later, but I just tried it in Lazada. So this is the second pack. We will open it. Okay. Our first card is Candice LeRae. Candice LeRae. Our second card is Ember Moon when he defeated Ruby Riot. I know this wrestlers because I'm playing WWE Supercard. I think for almost 6 years now. And also another Candice LeRae when he defeated when he won her second round match. Raw Women's Champion Bayley when he defeated Charlotte Flair. It's a fast lane card. Dana Brooke. And a Royal Rumble Beth Phoenix. This is a nice card, orange. I don't know what type of card this is, but I think it's a good card. Beth Phoenix. Another mixed match. Natalya and Shinsuke Nakamura. Okay, we're down to our last pack, so we will open it again. This is the first card, Shayna Baszler, when he won her first round match. Kyla Braxton. I think this one is an broadcaster, right? She's an ex-broadcaster. Oh, Stephanie McMahon. Then wow, we have a hit. It's a rookie card of Ronda Rousey. Wow, nice pull. I hope this will be valuable later on. Ronda Rousey rookie card. Nice. I think this one is another announcer again. Broadcaster. Undisputed Boys JoJo. Royal Rumble Nikki Bella. So the final card is always a mixed match, so it's The Miz and Asuka. So that's the final card. But I think for the price that I bought this, it's the best pull was the rookie card of Ronda Rousey and this one, Sarah Logan. Rookie card always increase in value, so I hope this one will be valuable later on. So that's it. We opened the 3 WWE packs. So until next time. So I hope you like it, and please subscribe so I can post more pack opening or box break. Thank you everyone.